In this video, I'm going to teach you what to do when your Venmo payment has reversed. So when your Venmo payment has reversed without your permission, like this user right here, as you have noticed they sold an item and they paid through Venmo and then disputed the transaction. So your reverse usually happens when you're on a situation like this. So this means that Venmo sided with the buyer right there. So in that way, you have no way to actually dispute it, or you can also head over and challenge this dispute that they have made. You can also head over and contact the actual buyer so they can help you with this particular reverse since you provided them with an item or a service. And you can head over and then make sure to actually contact them in order to solve this problem. So right here, if you sent it or they sent it through friends and family payment, then they have no way to actually use this. However, if you actually do this using the business, you have a way around it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.